children, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to learn something very interesting, perimeter. You see shapes everywhere in your classroom, playground, home and park. Some are big, some are small, but all have an outer edge. The edge is the line that goes all around the shape, is called the perimeter. If you take a ribbon and stick it all around your notebook, you are measuring the perimeter of the book. Perimeter helps us find how long the boundary of a shape is. We use it in real life too. When we put a fence around a garden, lace around a piece of cloth, or when we walk around a playground, we are actually moving along the perimeter. So children, let's learn how to find the perimeter of different shapes, step by step and in a fun way. Children, do you know how long it takes to walk all around your school ground? That total distance all around is called the perimeter. Perimeter means the total length of the outer boundary of any shape. To find it, we just add the lengths of all sides together. Let's start with a square. A square has 4 equal sides. So, to find its perimeter, we multiply one side by 4. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Let's see an example. Each side is equal to 5 cm. Let's find the perimeter. Step 1. Add all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20 cm. Step 2. Instead of writing the same addition again and again, we can use a short and smart way. A formula. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Now multiply. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 centimeters. So, the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeters. Let's try another example. Each side is equal to 9 centimeters. Let's find the perimeter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Now multiply 4 into 9 is equal to 36 centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is 36 centimeters. Now let's learn about the rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides called lengths and 2 short sides called widths. To find the perimeter, we add length plus width and then multiply by 2 because both sides repeat. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. Let's see an example. Length is equal to 6 meters, width is equal to 4 meters. Let's find the perimeter. Step 1. Add the length and the width. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Step 2. A rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. So we multiply the sum by 2. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. Now multiply 2 into 10 is equal to 20 meters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 meters. Try another one. Length is equal to 8 meters. Width is equal to 3 meters. Let's find the perimeter. Step 1. Add the length and the width. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Step 2. A rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. So we multiply the sum by 2. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. Now multiply 2 into 11 is equal to 22 meters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 22 meters. Children, not all shapes are squares or rectangles. Some have unequal sides. We call them irregular shapes. For these, we don't have a formula. We just add all the sides one by one. Perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 and so on. Let's try one example. We have a shape with sides measuring 4 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm and 2 cm. Let's find the perimeter. Here's all the sides are not equal. Each side has a different length. So, to find the perimeter, we add all the sides together. Step 1. Add all the sides. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 14. Step 2. Write the unit. Centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. So the perimeter of the shape is 14 centimeters. Now let's see how perimeter helps us in real life. Sam has a rectangular piece of land. He wants to put a fence all around it. Length is equal to 40 meters. Width is equal to 30 meters. We need to find the perimeter, the total distance around the land. We know that for a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. Step 1. Add the length and width. 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Step 2. Multiply by 2. 2 into 70 is equal to 140. Perimeter is equal to 140 meters. So, Sam needs 140 meters of wire to fence all around his land. Now, let's see how perimeter helps in exercise. Ramaiah walks around his square field every morning for exercise. Each side of the field is 15 meters long. He walks 3 rounds every day. How much distance does he walk in 5 days? Step 1. Find the perimeter of the square field. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into 15 is equal to 60 meters. So the perimeter is equal to 60 meters. That means Ramaiah walks 60 meters in 1 round. Step 2. He walks 3 rounds every day. Total distance in 1 day is equal to 60 into 3 is equal to 180 meters. Step 3. Find the distance in 5 days. 180 into 5 is equal to 900 meters. Therefore, Ramaiah walks 900 meters in 5 days. Finding the missing side using perimeter. Sometimes we already know the total perimeter of a shape, but one side is missing. We can find it easily by using this formula. Missing side is equal to perimeter minus sum of known sides. Example 1. A shape has a perimeter of 24 cm. 3 sides measure 5 cm, 8 cm and 6 cm. Find the length of the missing side. Answer. Step 1. Add the known sides. 5 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 19 centimeters. Step 2. Subtract the sum from the perimeter. 24 minus 19 is equal to 5 centimeter. The missing side is 5 centimeter. Example 2. A shape has a perimeter of 30 centimeters. 3 sides measure 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeters. Find the length of the missing side. Answer. Step 1. Add the known sides. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Step 2. Subtract the sum from the perimeter. 30 minus 9 is equal to 21 centimeters. The missing side is 21 centimeters. Great work, children. Let's quickly remember what we learned today. Perimeter is the total distance around the outer sides of any shape. To find the perimeter of a square, multiply one side by 4. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, use the formula 2 into length plus width. For irregular shapes, add the length of all sides 1 by 1. If one side is missing, subtract the known sides from the total perimeter. Perimeter helps us measure, decorate and build things all around us. Keep practicing, soon you'll be a perimeter pro. Bye-bye.